Hello and happy Monday, Mortgage Liz. Liz LeFore here with your Mortgage Liz Tip Monday. So my mortgage tip for you today is why do you not run your credit after you are in your process for your home financing? So think about it. If you are buying your first home or buying your next home, why do you not run your credit? Well, your lender has already qualified you based on the information that you already have. Your current income, assets, the current debt that you already have, the assets that are in your bank account. So what if you run your credit, you go get a car payment and a brand new car, may you trade in the current one that you have or get a brand new one, you have to update your credit report and you have to actually update the monthly payment that you are adding to your current qualification. So think about it. If you were already qualifying with no debt, but you are adding a brand new car payment of $500, would you be able to qualify? Maybe so, but maybe not. Maybe you'd be running into a situation where now you wouldn't be able to qualify because you are adding that new car payment. And a new car with a new car payment, a new liability, will actually create a lower credit score. Why? Because you're adding a new debt that you haven't made any payments on. So it's really important that you do not run your credit during the process of when you're purchasing your home. So moral of the story is, if you are in process, don't run your credit. Leave it alone. Stay in the same situation that you are in. Same income, same credit, same assets. Keep it all the same to make sure that when you get your keys, you don't have any hiccups along the way because you decided to go shopping. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Happy Monday, and we'll talk soon. Don't forget, if you want to share my information, feel free to do so. I would love for you to share my information to somebody that you may know, trust, and may need some of that information to make a little bit better decisions or just get a little bit more knowledge. Again, hope you guys are having an amazing day and happy Monday.